The shift towards electric, connected, and autonomous vehicles is redefining what a car means and the technology required to provide that. Move has been a great representation of that new ecosystem that is emerging, and ultimately at Dassault Systèmes, we are here to provide sustainable innovation for the future. For me, this has really been exciting to see the convergence of different industries, particularly when we consider the connected element of automotive vehicles and the ability to then leverage that in a broader ecosystem. We start to see this real convergence between the automotive landscape and city planning, public services, etc. So for me, this has been a really interesting thing to see that come to life today.
So I'm Alex from Flit. We develop lightweight folding electric bikes for urban commuters. We're a Cambridge-based startup, and we're here today at Move. So Move, I think over the past few years, has become the place to meet other businesses working in the mobility space in the UK. It's a great event because it combines both a lot of the big companies, but also there's a great startup village. So you have people working on everything from micro-mobility products through to services, battery development. Anything anyone in the UK is developing is usually to be found at Move. The ability to bring a bike to Move, where everyone's here from the industry, and to have a bike that people can ride and see instead of just talking about it is really unique. So it's great to be here on the test track. We've got all types of different bikes. So a lot of people who are learning about micromobility, they can ride e-bikes, cargo bikes, large cargo bikes that the courier companies are using, and even folding bikes like us.
I had the opportunity to try the Markov, and it was really fun. And I'm really happy to see that Dassault Systèmes is sponsoring the track and supporting this. I think it's great to see so many electrics, bikes, scooters, mobilities on how we can become more sustainable and how we can get people from place to place, but obviously keeping sustainability in mind. And it's quite fun. So I recommend everyone to come to the track, to try as much as possible, and have networked.
So if I was going to choose two areas, I think the first would be we will continue to see rapid innovation in battery technology. We work with many battery manufacturers here to create a virtual twin of the cell, so a digital representation of the cell chemistry to model and simulate different chemistry compositions and optimize for performance, whether that's range, aging, safety, charging times, etc. I think out the back of that, we've already seen customers that are able to reduce their reliance on critical raw materials by 50% taking this approach. So I think that will be one space where we'll continue to see rapid advances in technology. I think the second area is going to be in the topic of the software-defined vehicle. We see all OEMs putting that at the heart of how they are thinking about the future customer experience and the need to bring this convergence of software and hardware together.